Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Just keep watching. Here are some aloe leaves.
It's saying grass.
Aloe leaves.
That's up your thing.
Where? Over here?
Yes.
Oh, wheatgrass. Wheatgrass is really good for you. Greeneries. This is like a heaven for me. They have everything you could think of. Fuzzy squash. Fuzzy squash.
Right here this whole time. We were looking at desserts over there. You want to see what they
Everything. They even have Thai ginger.
Touched it. Ooh.
They have, most importantly, what you're definitely going to need is curry. Alrighty guys, here are some things that you will need. I purchased all my items from the Beaufort Farmers Market. That is like local. Well, not really local because it's 30 minutes to 40 minutes for me to get there, but that's not the point. The point is you're just going to need some curry leaves, mustard oil, coconut oil, red onion, and aloe vera. Fresh rosemary is optional. Next, you're going to need a clean pan. Add a little bit of coconut oil. I'm not really good with measurements. If you have watched my videos before, my measuring is always off. So just eyeball to how much ever oil you need. Of course, coconut oil solidifies when it's colder than 75 degrees. So therefore, this was a little challenging to have some of the coconut oil to come out of the bottle here. But yes. Pour as much as you like, or as much as you need. Sorry guys, tongue twisted. Next, you will need some pure mustard oil. This mustard oil, again, I purchased from the Beaufort Farmers Market. I used about half of the bottle there, or actually 2/3 of it. Probably. You guys know I'm heavy-handed, so I just use as much oil as I possibly can because this fro on top of my head is real, you guys. So go ahead and pour up just a couple of droplets. Yeah, right. I'm gonna use a little bit more. Yeah. Of course, you will want your oils to heat up a little bit. I am cooking on the heat of 5. I started with 7. But I'm just going to turn it down to 5. I lied. I actually turned it down to 6. That's okay. Once your oil is bubbling a little bit at the bottom of the pan there, you're going to add your fresh curry leaves, y'all. Yes, the star player. What it's all about, fresh curry leaves. I am using actually the whole batch. If you seen it early in the video, they come in little packets. I just used the whole packet. Now it's going to start like bubbling up. The white bubbles are perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. From what I've watched from previous YouTubers, the bubbles is what you will need and what you want. Yes, cook it up, cook it up. Now that you have let your curry leaves cook for a little bit, you're going to add your onions. I use half of my large red onion. And then next you're going to add your aloe vera. I cut about half of my aloe vera as well. Earlier, as you see, my aloe vera leaf was pretty big, so just half of that is all what you would need. And of course, guys, just go ahead and just stir it around a little bit. Cook it up. Studies shows, well, you know what, let me not try to sound all scientific. I have read that red onions is actually really good for your hair. It's perfect, actually, to be honest with you. It stimulates the hair growth, all kind of benefits. Of course, I will list the benefits of all the ingredients that I'm using down in the description box. Yes, so go and take a look-see, guys. Alrighty, cook as long as you need. I would say approximately up to 20 minutes, so therefore it looks like this. Once it's simmering, you would want to turn it off by this time and just let it sit for a while. I let mine sit for a good 30 minutes. Then I added my rosemary. Some other items you're going to need a measuring cup or just a cup, a spoon, a jar, and of course a strainer. Of course you would need the jar to store your oil in. So now you have let your herbs and oil soak up and sit for approximately 30 minutes. You're pretty much now going to strain everything. Guys, please do not follow what I am doing right now. Just simply take out the big chunks and tweeds and everything and just toss them out. Because of course you already extracted all the nutrients and all the goodies that you need for your hair. So yeah, just take out the big chunks, twigs, and little leaves there, and then that way it's easier for you to strain basically. This part you do not see, but I am mashing the ingredients, so therefore all the oils can extract from the herbs and aloe vera. And now you have your deliciousness. Thanks for watching.